Mas ano?
We're getting some of this.
We're getting some of...
Oh! Hoy! Ay, sayang.
Ayun ba?
Pahilaw nga dito. Oo, mainit talaga.
Yeah.
Minute?
Mainit tayo.
Hindi pa, oo. We're getting a medicine of Joe at tagas in the leg.
Medyo matoy.
Oo nga, binibidyo.
Yung doon sa mainit, Jen. Dapat
Ito, double.
Oo nga yan.
Look at that.
Yeah. Pero mag-English ka naman pag Diyos ko. Is that enough? Look, Grace, we're getting a boiling mud for Joed Tagas. You know the Tagas? The one.
The one in
He
the
has
leg.
one by his yag balls.
So difficult to watch the, ano.
You know, Joed has a one in his yag balls. We need to paste that on his...
Yag balls.
You know, that's enough.
His balls.
We need to put peeling in his
So hot.
close to his two ball.
Tubal. Tuberculosis.
Video mo sila. Para exciting. Tapos pag matatanda na kayo, yan ang ginagawa nyo. Uy, malaglag yung Kuya Makbak.
What's your back, man?
Yan mo.
Ooh.
Ah, sa kita.
Dati maingay yung tita doon, no?
Doon talaga makita kami. I-video natin yan tomorrow. Eh, nasa video siguro.
Kuya,
Ano
ano mga computer yan?
Ako naman siya sa...
Sinapa.
Saan ka naman?
More.
Look at me, I'm so gross.
Bilik or...
Look at my snout.
Ako naman, look at my shit.
Hello, Grace, Kim.
Go.
Look at that.
Look at my shoes.
So dirty.
No,
Yeah.
yeah. That's why look, my shit is
I
that.
know.
It's gone, oh, look. That's how it's gone.
Yeah.
Saka sa ulo?
Kaya nga may dala ako. Ay, baka mabutas, Mark, yung dulo ng useless. Yung kahoy.
Last.
Oh, ang dami na kuya.
Yung mga lapas para kayo.
Oh,
Sige, pag di pa gumaling yan, ha? Joe, ito na ang gamot mo.
Nagkahirapan lang.
tinahak namin ang tuktok ng bundok ng makiling para...
Sulfur.
Sulfur yan.
Yeah. Amoy na.
Naka-record. You know what, Grace? This lava is good for skin disease or the...
Sulfur.
You know what you call?
Bad smell siya.
Yeah. If you could smell, it's really bad because this is the sulfur.
Like my breath. Like sulfur.
You know my part? That's the same as my part. It's stinky. Hanggang dito lang tayo, hindi tayo makarating.
Ano sinasabi?
Difficult.
What?
Difficult.
The miner is complaining. It's difficult now to dig.
To catch daw eh.
Digging.
Bata, ipo nga ako. Talaga mainit. Ay, oh God! Ito. Yeah, record na. Grace, you know what? Look! It's so hot! It's burning my finger! See? When you come down here, hopefully maybe soon, I'll take you here, okay? And we bring some eggs. We're going to make a salted egg.
We're going to cook.
Ano kaya, salted egg? Hindi.
Hindi, pangit. Baka pumasok yung sulfur sa...
Ay, oo.
Enough na. That's enough, man.
That's enough, Nak.
Yung plastic.
That's our job here. That's our life. Peace. Love you.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Okay.
Check it out.
Ay, lagyan mo Tupperware.